Tonight we're at Steamers. Cover charge $14.99 a person. And for $14.99 you get one starter, one steamer, or Princess Fried seafood platter, and one dessert. So this part of the buffet is set up for Steamers tonight. Steamers. It's casual dining. It's $15 a person plus 20% gratuity. And we're going to try it out. So every other night it's Steamers, and the other night it's Planks over there. Hi!
Hello, good evening.
Steamers. Fall for great bites. Thank you.
Enjoy your dinner.
So let's see if we can find a table. That's Scott right there. Oh, look, a pretty girl all alone. May I sit here? Oh, look at this.
Salmon cream cheese and the sun-dried tomato with cream cheese. This one here is our welcome, is on the top of the menu. Welcome appetizer ceviche. Okay, this is our welcome ceviche.
Hey, grazie, grazie.
Ecco, buon appetito.
Grazie mille. Back to the menu, we're going to both add lobster tail and snow crab for $10, which of course is going to be another $2 tip.
And you can have the salmon, I'll have the other.
So we have some scallops here. That's the appetizer, more or less. And some, it's ceviche scallops. And it's a little spicy. And we have these plantain chips. We also have the bread, sun-dried tomatoes, and cream cheese, and salmon and cream cheese. Although, honestly, they taste very much alike. That's not to say they're bad, because it's very good. And this is excellent. And there is 20 scallops in there, maybe. Well, 20 might be an exaggeration. But anyway, 10, 12. It was good though, huh? Well, I got the Caesar salad with a couple of anchovies in it. And believe it or not, it looks different than it does in the dining room. And by different, I mean better. And Janet, of course, got the
Potato clam chowder.
potato clam chowder. And she's put those little crackers, oyster crackers in there. And what do you think? All right. So Janet enjoyed her chowder. And we think this is a different Caesar dressing than they use downstairs in the dining room.
And different croutons.
Yeah, because it was really good Caesar dressing. And the anchovies just helped. So Janet's is more of a boil-like. I see corn, I see green beans, I see clams, potatoes it looks like.
There's potatoes.
Everything.
There's
everything
dewy
in there.
sausage.
Oh, andouille sausage,
There's
yes.
supposed to be something else. Scallops or no shrimp. There's
And
shrimp.
then shrimp, fish, calamari, French fries, salad, stuff. I forget what these two were. Scallops and
Fish cake.
fish cake. Okay. Boy, it sure looks good. Yours too. So that's one of the shrimp that was in there. They are huge. If you'll remember the menu, for $10 extra, you got snow crab and lobster. And I mean, it's not the biggest lobster, and it's not the most snow crab I ever had, but it's a lot for 10 bucks. Janet got it too. We switched. I'm going to try this now.
Well, this is the remnants of our dinner.
Hi. Well, now it's time for dessert. And so I've gotten the key lime pie in a jar. I guess you call that a jar. Also got some coffee. And Janet got strawberry shortcake. And I want you to see that in there.
Look at that.
And that mound of
Strawberries.
pickled strawberries.
I don't think they're pickled.
Anyway. Yeah, so this food was all good. There was none bad. I didn't really like clams, but I ate them. But everything else was great. And she was great. And Scott was great, wherever he is. And I'm Gareth. She's Janet. And we're the Port Monkeys. And we'll see you in the next port. Bye. Everything was great. And it's because of you. Because of you two, right?
You need to say your channel, your name.
Port Monkeys. Port Monkeys.
You know, we go to ports and we're monkeys.
Great, I will check.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. See you around.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Always do with the shout-outs, and to date we have a joke from the Port Monkeys, Janet and Garrett. The joke is, what is a parrot's favorite letter? You may be thinking it's R, but me heart will always be with the C. Get it? The C, I like it. This is right up my alley. I really like this kind of